Thermometer in Philadelphia, some suburbs in the single digits, and your winds out of the west at 6 miles per hour, but that's still giving you a wind chill currently in Philadelphia, making it feel like it's 3. And when those winds do pick up, yeah, they're not strong, but it does plunge that wind chill. Looks like we'll have some early sunshine, and then clouds will start to filter in, and overall we're going for a mix of clouds and sun today. The big story will be the temperature. 12 degrees on the thermometer by 8 o'clock, by 10 o'clock just 17, and by noon 23. And we do stay a fairly good chunk below freezing today with a high of just 27 degrees by 3 o'clock. Again, winds not quite as strong as yesterday, but still a day to bundle up. And by 6 o'clock, we're back down to 22, and we hold the low 20s in the overnight hours. High temperatures this afternoon, not much of a range. 26 in Allentown, 27 in the middle of the region, and 28 down the shore. Very cold. Tomorrow, things start to get better. A warm front pulls up from the south, starts to raise those numbers up, and later in the day, we wind up with a high of 38 in Philadelphia. However, as that front pushes through, it is going to produce some precipitation up north, and in northern suburbs initially, it will probably still be below freezing at the surface, and that means the potential for some frozen precipitation. What kind? Well, let's take a look. By 4 o'clock, we're probably still dry. Anytime after 3 or 4, I'd be careful of this. If you start to see some rain on your windshield, though, out in Reading by 4, 5, 6 o'clock, slow it down, because that is very likely going to be freezing rain, which is the most dangerous type of precipitation for drivers and for pedestrians for that matter. 6 o'clock, it looks like this is all across the northern tier. Lehigh Valley, northern Bucks, northern Montco, maybe even a little in northern Chester, so the northern and western suburbs. 5, 6, 7, 8 o'clock tomorrow night, some freezing rain. It's going to look like rain as you're walking or driving around, but it will immediately be freezing up and turning to ice on road surfaces. This could be a problem for you. Then, as we go later into the evening, warm front gets past us, temperatures actually rise, and we change over to just straight rain. So by 10 or 11 o'clock at night, we should be better off. And some of that rain, by the way, has to filter through the region overnight and might still be around for the morning rush hour on Wednesday. So let's recap. Today, 27 degrees, dry, still very cold, not as windy as yesterday. Tomorrow, cloudy skies, 38 degrees, getting better in the afternoon, but in the late afternoon and evening, some freezing rain possible in the northern suburbs before a changeover to rain. Then on Wednesday, mostly cloudy and really getting milder. A high of 50 degrees, maybe a sprinkle or shower. 60 on Thursday, another spotty shower possible, and then Friday 57 with a front triggering additional showers on Friday. And then the front gets out of here and it does cool down for the coming weekend, but not too bad. 40 on Saturday, 43 Sunday. Both days could feature some rain, and for now we're going for just rain and drizzle and no icy stuff. We'll update you if that changes.
Okay.